Hi, Andrew here with your quick arena fitness tip of the day. For you, I'm going to be talking about something about speed strength. This pertains to anyone, but mainly athletes. The purpose of this is because a lot of the times when we train, we're focused on kind of making sure, like if we're going to do a jump, we focus on going down and sticking there. Well, we have this elastic spring that's in our hamstrings and throughout the lower musculature. And so the point of this is we want to be able to activate that the best that we can. All right, so my motto is, if you want to be fast, you got to train fast. And so today I'm going to go over 3 exercises that typically you'll see athletes do in a slow motion just to focus on power. And that's different from speed strength. So number 1, we're going to do quick vertical jumps. We're going to see how they work on power, and then we're going to see the difference between speed, and you'll see that in hip elevation. The second is going to be broad jumps. Also, we're going to see how people will typically stick there and hold, which is a good thing, but it's different from speed strength, and you'll see hip level variances. The other thing is going to be bounding. I love bounding. It's actually a pretty tough drill, so it's something that you may want to start at a lower level, but it's a good drill that's going to help elevate your speed game in a little bit more capacity. All right, so we are going to go through these drills, and I'm going to walk through them step by step. All right, so first we're going to do a vertical jump. All right, the vertical jump, I'm going to show what athletes will typically do for power. And so they'll come down here, hold for about 2 seconds, boom, jump up and hold. All right, so here I want to work on the speed aspect. I want to get everything from the ankle up firing quickly. So you're going to see my hip level not go down as far. All right, so I'm going to do 3 jumps in a row. Ready? Okay, as you notice, it may not be as high, but the whole point of that is I want to be able to get my muscles firing the way that they need to, right? So the next thing we're going to go to is broad jump. So typically with the broad jump, we'll see this. Stick, stick. All right, and so with that, now we want to get speed. Now watch my hips. As you saw, my hips dropped a little bit lower and able to create some power. Now we're going to create a little bit of speed power. So that's a wonderful exercise. But with that, my hips were a little bit higher. I preloaded my ankle, and so instead of landing my entire foot, I landed on the front half. I'm going to teach you 2 different bounds. The first one's going to be lower level when you're just starting out. So here, you don't want to take as big of steps. So it's, okay, so now, once you get that down, you're going to be able to start getting the steps out, okay? So I would do that for about 10 yards. Once you get that, then you're going to develop into it. So you'll start with lower steps, and then we're going to extend it out. All right, so with that, I love this because in a sense, you're able to turn that right into a sprint. A lot of the times, you'll see a lot of these athletes, the lower limbs will move super fast, but it's not like they're going very far, and that's because they're not covering ground. So here, once you do your bounding, you're gonna cover ground, turn that into a sprint, and you're gonna kind of feel the difference in your hips, your ankles, and everything working to that to help you in the best way that it can. Once again, I'm Andrew with our arena fitness tip of the day. See you soon.